in yesterday's video, we spoke about the Sei NFT collections and asked you guys to comment down below if you wanted to see a video of how to actually buy your first NFT. So in today's video, we are gonna show you exactly that. So how you can actually buy your first NFT, and for this example, I'm gonna use the Pallet Exchange, which is an exchange built for the Sei ecosystem. So with that being said, let's jump on straight onto today's video. Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you smash up the like button and hit the subscribe button. It actually helps us in spreading the message about our channel and about the content that we are preparing. Also, if you would like to stay up to date, please join our Telegram channel. Link for that is in the description below. So guys, let's jump on straight onto the video and let me show you how you can actually buy your first NFTs using the Pallet Exchange. For Pallet Exchange, the first thing that we need is Sei. Now Sei is priced at around 80 cents, down slightly by about 2.7%. So where can we buy Sei? First of all, Sei can be brought from all the leading exchanges, including Binance, as you can see over here, and some of the top other exchanges as well, right? Once we buy Sei, then what we need to do is we need to go on to Google and search for Compass Wallet. What you can do is actually press the URL compasswallet.io and you will be taken to this particular website. This is the website for the Compass Wallet. Compass Wallet is one of the leading wallets for the Sei ecosystem, and this is the wallet that we are going to use to buy our NFT collections today, right? So once you are there on the website, you need to do is click on install Compass, and in a few seconds you will be redirected to a fresh new page and you will see this particular page, right? So depending on your browser, whichever you are using, you can actually install the extensions, or if you are using it on your mobile phone, you can actually install the application. It's available both on Google Play as well as on the App Store. So for this example, since I am using Chrome, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and click on Chrome, and within a few seconds I'll be redirected to the Chrome store. As you can see, Compass Wallet for Sei. Now here, since I have already installed it, it is showing me remove from Chrome. If I do not have it installed, it will show me add to Chrome. Once I click it, within a few seconds, I will be able to add it to my extension. So here you can see I have already added the Compass Wallet to my Chrome extensions available. Now what do I need to do next? The next thing is that you need to secure your wallet. For that, what you need to do is you need to actually go to the settings and then copy paste the secret phrase, guys. It's extremely important. Make sure you save it in an offline mode rather than an online mode, right? So first what we'll do is we'll log in using our password. So once we have logged in, we'll click on this icon over here on the top left hand corner and go to the security settings. From here, I can actually select or hide my assets as well as see what all sites have we connected to as well, right? Apart from that, what we can also do is show the recovery phrase. Now in this video, I'm not going to show it, but you can actually click on show recovery phrase and you can save the recovery phrase. Now this will help you in recovering your wallet if you wish to use your wallet in some other laptop, some other mobile phone, and so on and so forth, right? So now that our Compass Wallet has been set up, the next activity that we need to do is we need to go to our Pallet Exchange, right? Once we are on Pallet Exchange, we'll be able to see all the NFT collections that are available for us for the Sei ecosystem, right? Right from Seance to Colony, VBump, Seiduck, so on and so forth, right? Now, remember we bought Sei from one of the exchanges. Now the next activity that we need to do is deposit that Sei into our Compass Wallet. For that, what we need to do is we will be going back to our Compass Wallet once more, and here I click on receive. Once I click on receive, I will get this QR code as well as what I will get is the address. You can see this address, so you can actually scan this QR code to deposit your Sei from any of the exchanges, or you can copy paste this address as well. This is a single click copy. You can just click and it will get copied directly over here. Now once this is done, then within a few seconds your Sei will be deposited within your wallet. Now let me show you. I have a few Sei tokens available on my wallet. Let me see how much do I have. Okay, so I have about 49 Sei tokens, right? Now let me see within this 49 Sei, what kind of NFTs can I buy? Let's go back to the Pallet Exchange. Now, Seance is floor price is at about $495. We cannot buy that. Colony is at about $1,500. We definitely cannot buy that as well, so on and so forth. Yes, Sei Ducks is one of the NFTs that we can buy with our $49 that we have. Now, before buying that, what I need to do is connect my wallet to the Pallet Exchange. And how do I do that? I just simply click on connect, and within a few seconds, it got connected. Here it shows me all the assets. Now, if I want to disconnect, I can simply click on this icon and I can click on disconnect, and within a few seconds, it is getting disconnected as well. Now, let me connect it back. So it got connected here. Now the next activity is I need to select the NFTs that I want. As I mentioned earlier, we will be buying the Sei Ducks NFT, which has got a floor price of about $34 or 42.99 Sei. So let me just open the Sei Ducks NFT collection for you first. So here we have opened it. As you can see, there are multiple ducks that are available. The volume is quite decent, around 88,000 Sei tokens in the last 24 hours. That's pretty decent. There are 6,969 items that are available, out of which only 1,040 are listed, guys. That's something that we need to note. Now, what does this mean? This means out of the 6,969 NFTs that are available, people have only listed 1,040 NFTs to be sold in the secondary market. By secondary market, I mean this exchange. Now, what does this owners mean? 2393. The 2393 owners means that out of this 6,969 items, there are 2393 unique users, right? So approximately one owner has about 3 Sei Ducks NFTs. Okay, so because there was some confusion between some of our premium members as to what does this mean, they were asking me. So in case you do not have this doubt in the future, I'm just clarifying this. What does this owners means? This owners means there are 2393 wallets that actually hold these 6,969 NFTs. Now let's jump on to the NFTs and let us see what all do we have, right? So what we have is Sei Ducks number 4565, or rather rank 4565, number 3870, which is priced at around $30. Then there is another Sei Ducks which is at around 32, and so on and so forth. The list goes on. So depending on whichever duck you like, you can actually go for it. Now, what is the benefit, or why should we buy these NFTs? Number one, there could be possible airdrops that you can get from the Sei ecosystem if you hold on to these NFTs. And the second option is you can actually sell it at a higher price in the future as well. Okay. Now let me show you how you can actually buy your NFTs, right? So what we'll do is we'll just buy the first NFT here itself. So meanwhile we are talking, some other ducks also got available to be sold in the market. So the lowest price of the Sei duck right now is around $30, around $31, that is 38 Sei. Now let me show you how easily we can buy these NFTs. Now please keep in mind that buying any NFT on any marketplace is very similar to the way we shop on Amazon or Flipkart, or for that matter, any e-commerce portal. Now what we need to do is we'll simply click on this buy now button once, and it will show me what is the final price along with the pallet fee, and I'll click on buy now once more, and a pop-up comes up of my wallet and it will ask me to confirm this transaction, guys. Okay, so as you can see, my Compass wallet is getting loaded over here, and it will ask me to confirm this transaction, approve or reject. What I will do is it will take a fees of $0.04. That's the gas fees. I can set up whatever gas fees I want from low, medium or high. So I just click on approve, and within a few seconds I will have my NFTs bought. Now as you can see, it is showing your purchase is complete. Right? Now what I can do to verify this transaction is view on Sei Scan. Sei Scan is very similar to ETHScan, which shows us all the transaction details for the wallet as well as for any other address that we want. So what I can do is I can simply click on Sei Scan once, as well as I can also click on view purchase. So let me click on view purchase as well, right? So meanwhile my Sei Scan is getting opened, I can see that I have actually bought this Sei Ducks NFT number 1965, which has got a rank of 5,612. How much did I buy it for? I bought it for around $31, right? Now if I go to my Sei Explorer, within a few seconds it will show that this transaction got completed successfully, right? Here you can see the success message with all the blocks and transaction hash and everything. So guys, as we can see, we have bought this NFT. If I want to check it on my wallet or what I own, what I can do is I can simply click on the profile icon here and go to profile once more, and under profile I'll be able to see what is it that I own. So this is my profile. If I just go on, it will show me my NFTs, right? So guys, this is how easily you can actually buy your first NFT using the Pallet Exchange. Now guys, please understand that investing in NFTs is extremely risky because unlike tokens, they can actually be very illiquid at times. Now what does illiquid means? Illiquid means if you want to sell a token like a Bitcoin, or for that matter even Sei token, you can sell it on Binance or any other exchange in a second or two. But in NFT there has to be a purchaser, right? Then only will you be able to sell your NFTs. And you can get airdrops for sure, but it's extremely risky. So that's why I strongly recommend that you invest only a very small portion of your total portfolio into these NFTs, because they can be extremely risky. And make sure you do your own research before investing. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I am only putting a very small portion of my own portfolio into these NFTs as well. Right? So guys, if you like this kind of content, if you like these NFTs, if you like these tutorials, make sure you smash up the like button. It's very important, and you share this video across your friends and family. If people want to buy their first NFTs, this is the video, this is the tutorial that you should be sharing with all of your friends. So thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.